Was just sent this beautiful mirror. I'm going to show you how it works. It's so cool. So you just plug it in right over here. And then there's your on button. That illuminates it. And then you have 3 different modes of lights. And then you have, this is my favorite light, that really bright light. And then kind of like that more natural and the warm light. And then you can push the P right here. And that's going to give it like a brightness to it. Or you can dim it. So you can kind of decide how bright or how light you want it. So that's like the dimmest level right there. Super easy to use. You get a USB charging port so you can charge things while you're getting ready. And then that, of course, is where you plug everything in. It has a really nice stand, a good thickness to it, so you can put it on a vanity or your desk or anywhere like that. And it's just a gorgeous mirror. You also get a couple extras. So you get some cleaning cloths and then this cute little headband, which is so perfect for getting ready in the morning to kind of pull all your hair back when you do either taking off your makeup or putting on your makeup. So I just love the little extras that come with this as well.